Welcome to this FireFX video on installing the log effect for the Atmos electric fire. Follow this simple step-by-step video guide to achieve the perfect log layout, ready for you to begin enjoying all the ambience your fire can bring to your home. For the best log layout on your new Atmos electric fire, use the handy reference guide on the fire's bed. First, remove the glass by unscrewing the brackets in the top left and right corner of the fire. Each log is conveniently labeled to match the log placement guide. Start arranging your logs by placing the burnt ember log pieces in the marked positions on the fuel bed. Next, place each log piece from left to right, ensuring the rotation of the log piece matches the guide. Once the log pieces are all in position, finish the arrangement by scattering the included glass ember chippings around the logs. Finally, replace the glass screen by slotting the bottom of the panel in and pushing back into position. Secure the glass with the brackets and screws in the top left and right corner to complete the assembly. We hope you found this video useful. With the log effect now installed in the optimum arrangement, you're ready to sit back and enjoy your Atmos fire. If you need help getting started with the controls, be sure to check out our other video on how to use your remote handset.